Everyone is waiting for self-driving cars because it has so much influence on the way that we live our lives. Everybody is asking me when it's going to happen, and it's now going to happen. We're extremely excited to reach this milestone and bring this technology out of the lab into the real world. After years of hard work and countless of iterations, we have fully automated our supply chain and assembly line, and now we are ready to go into high-volume series production. The reality of safe driverless car is actually coming to fruition.
It's going to be amazing. We're going to see our LiDARs in millions of cars on the road, driving autonomously. This is going to be a dream come true for the whole company.